Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can install LUTs into DaVinci Resolve 18. It's quite a simple process, so make sure you follow me till the end to get a good idea on how you can do this. Now, LUTs are one of the key elements if you're using DaVinci Resolve. They give your footage a specific look, and to add a LUT in DaVinci Resolve, just come to the color options, which you can do by clicking on this button right here. It's beside the Fusion button. Just click on color and you'll see that there are all these LUTs available that you can easily use. Now to add any LUT, just double click on it and you'll see that the node has been added, and if you want to see whether or not the changes have been applied, you'll see that the LUT has been applied. Now again, this is just a default LUT that I applied. If you want to see a before and after, just click on this button on the top right corner and you'll see that this was our original footage. Now we'll quickly enable it back again and install our own LUT into this. If you want to remove it, just click on the node and click on delete and it goes back to normal. Now to install a LUT, click on the gear icon on the bottom right corner. Once you're in here, you can go to color management, and under lookup tables, you'll see an option where it says open LUT folder. Now this is where all the LUTs are installed. All you need to do is click on Ctrl+Shift+N or create a new folder by right clicking. Now you can name the folder anything. I'm naming it food LUTs because that is what I have installed in my computer. Now you can find LUTs on the internet. There are tons and tons of them out there. So you can go ahead and download any that you want. Once you have named the folder, you can copy the LUTs that you have by clicking on Ctrl+C. And once you do that, you can go back to the folder that we just created, which is food LUTs, and paste them over here. Now you'll see that all the file types are cube, which means this is a LUT. Once this is done, you can go back, click on the X button and click on this button right here which says update lists. This is important. If you don't do this, it doesn't update the new LUTs that you just installed. Once you click on that, you can click on save and go back, and after that you will see that the folder has now been added. Just click on food LUTs, and yeah, these are all the LUTs that I installed for food. You can add any one of them. This one seems like the right one. Just double click on it and it has now been added, and you can go back to the edit section to see the changes. Well, yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can install LUTs into DaVinci Resolve 18. I'm sure the process is similar for other versions as well. So yeah, hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.